So we continue to see high cases. Today we have 1,635 cases. Now this is a little bit below last week's. It's still, I believe, in the top 10 highest cases we've seen. One thing we don't know is if it's impacted by Election Day yesterday, because we've always seen the day after a holiday potentially be a little bit lower, but we don't know that yet. But 1,635 cases is way, way too many. It brings our overall number of cases to 113,009. 113,009. Our numbers hospitalized go up every day. We're now at 1,066 in the hospital with COVID. On the ICU, 286 Kentuckians today. It was 259 yesterday. These are a lot of Kentuckians that are fighting for their lives. 125 Kentuckians on a ventilator with COVID, just 116 yesterday. Test positivity continues to be far too high, 6.30% today. New cases by county: Jefferson 352, Fayette 159, Kenton and Warren 64, Laurel, McCracken 56, Boone 46, Campbell, Davis, and Hardin 38, Christian 34, Floyd 31, Bullitt 28, Henderson 25, Caldwell 24, 22 in Barron and Montgomery, 17 in Graves, Grayson, Greenup, and Shelby, 16 in Lincoln, Nelson, 15 in Franklin, 14 in Madison, Monroe, and Pike, 13 in Scott, 12 in Hart, Marshall, Oldham, Simpson, and Spencer, 10 in Breckenridge, Pulaski, and Woodford. A number of other counties in the single digits. Again, those are online at kycovid19.ky.gov. Today we've lost 11 additional Kentuckians, putting our total count now at 1,514 of our brothers, sisters, parents, grandparents that we have lost due in part to the coronavirus. Today they include a 72-year-old man from Jefferson County, a 59-year-old man from Jefferson County, a 72-year-old man from Jefferson, a 60-year-old woman from Jefferson, an 89-year-old woman from Jefferson, a 79-year-old woman from Hancock, an 82-year-old woman from Knott, a 71-year-old man from Jefferson, a 91-year-old woman from McLean, a 96-year-old woman from Hancock, and an 81-year-old woman from Jefferson. Let's keep lighting those homes up green. Let's keep ringing our bells at 10 a.m. A lot of pain out there, and it's hitting everybody. I learned about a couple that Brittany and I are close friends with that are dealing with a parent that's in really bad shape because of COVID, and we're thinking about them, and we're thinking about every family, whether we know you or don't. We hurt with you, we grieve with you, and we are sorry that this is happening out there. It's creating not just difficulty and inconvenience, it's causing death, and we will all pledge to do better every day to make sure there are fewer families like yours going through something like this. Long-term care facilities, which the Secretary will talk about. Today's update: 116 additional residents testing positive, 75 new staff, 16 additional deaths attributable to patients in those facilities.